Hello, I'm Anna, volunteering on the site for Project Florence. I'm now with Michael, one of the soldiers on site. What have you been working on then?
We'll start off with, we've been levelling in place with a JCB to try and find particular grave cuts. We've done well. On the first week we pulled out a female, which was actually here, in this one here. You see, not entirely big, so the skull end was on that side and it went down like that. Didn't get a large amount of bones from her because it was very disintegrated, so it was good though for the first one.
So can you explain to us what you found here?
We found here, we believe it's a male from the brow ridge. You see it comes out slightly. That's a typical sign of a male. It's very big bones and it is also very tall. And if you look at it in comparison to the female, it's a lot taller, so we believe it is definitely a male.
Were there any good graves found on this?
This one is actually really good because we've got a lot of the shoulder, a lot of the skull with both jaws. Its teeth, you can tell it's had a really grated diet because its teeth are really worn down and flat, and there weren't much sugar because there's not much corrosion in the teeth there. Another really good thing is that we've got quite a bit of the spine, which you don't normally get, because when the body decomposes, the stomach acid normally corrodes all the ribs and all the stomach in this region, so you never normally get that. So we're quite lucky to get that.
What are you planning on doing next to the skeleton to progress your research further?
We'll be cleaning it out first to get rid of all the sort of area here and along there so we can see more of it. Then we'll draw it, record it, and take some photographs, and then we'll start lifting the bones very delicately with just scraping away very slightly, because although it's in quite good order, bits like this you've got to be very careful because they'll just corrode and disintegrate in your hand.
Are you able to tell us what century or roughly what time it was from?
Well, there's a good chance it's Anglo-Saxons because this is what we're looking at on this whole site. And you can tell the skeleton is very old because the bones on the joints are fused, and that's a sure sign that it's an adult skeleton.
Do you think it's worth the young generation getting involved and learning about all this project?
Definitely. Just for the pure fact that when else are they going to see a real skeleton? And the history behind it that we can also teach them as well. It's just going to better them, and if we can get future archaeologists interested, then why not?
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.